40-mile-an-hour stops. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Woo, stops nice. 60-mile-an-hour stop. Oh man, this thing stops nice. Let's do another 60-mile-an-hour stop. Oh, this thing stops real nice. Brakes work really good. I'm doing a bunch of hard stops. It's almost like I'm betting in the brakes, but I'm not really. I'm just testing them out. Here at Fremont Alignment in Fremont, California to get my E92 M3 aligned. I added the Vorshlag Camber Plates, and when I did the F8X M3 M4 big brake kit retrofit, I had to change the front spindle to the F80X spindle, which adds a little bit of camber and a little bit of height. So out here getting my alignment done. Alright, just finished my alignment. So previous max camber was -3.4 on the passenger side and -3.6 on the driver's side, and that's with the camber plates pushed all the way to the side. I thought I would get more camber, but again, this is stock height. If I lowered it, I'll probably get higher, more than 3.5, probably maybe closer to 4. But stock height, max camber with the Vorshlag camber plate and the F80X spindle with the camber pushed all the way towards the engine was -3.4 on the passenger side and -3.6 on the driver's side. So my dual purpose street track alignment is -3 on both sides and 0 toe. And on the rear, I went close to 2. So it's -1.9 on each side with a little bit of toe in. And again, my E92 M3 is a dual purpose street core. I'm probably gonna drive it more in the street than on the track. Going for a test drive again. Brakes feel good. The brake pedal feels a little bit firmer than stock, but not really noticeable. You definitely don't want the brake pedal spongy or soft. If it's spongy or soft, then that means you have air in your lines. Right now the brake pedal feels good, nice and firm. People are saying it's about 10% stiffer than stock, which that's what it feels like. Because now, instead of 1 piston sliding calipers, now it's 4 piston fixed calipers in the front and 2 piston fixed calipers in the rear. So having a fixed caliper, it's going to be more firm, so stiffer brake pedal, which is a good thing. No unusual sounds coming from the brakes. Earlier I had some rear scraping, and I checked my right rear passenger rotor, and basically the factory dust shield was scraping the rotor a little bit. So I took the rotor off and I hammered in the dust shield a little bit, and everything's good now. If you have some sounds coming from the rear, you want to check the dust shield, and if you have some sounds coming from the front, you also want to check your dust shield to make sure it's not scraping anything. And the front brake setup is about 4 pounds lighter each corner, so that's 4 pounds less upsprung weight, which is the best weight you can remove. And the rears are about 1 pound lighter each corner. So not only did I save upsprung weight, I saved total weight, about 10 pounds total, but more importantly, it's upsprung weight, so that's going to help with performance. And I know this brake setup is going to perform better than the factory one on the E92 M3, because these brakes were on the F8X M3 that I had and I tracked with, and all I did was upgrade the brake fluid, ran BimmerWorld stainless steel lines and performance friction brakes, and the brakes were great on the track. So basically I'm going to run these same brakes from the M4 on my M3 with upgraded lines, upgraded brake fluid, and upgraded PFC pads, so I know it's going to perform. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Alignment done, test drive went well. Retrofitting the F8X M3 M4 brakes onto my E92 M3 is a nice OEM Plus setup. Not only does it look better, it's also lighter and it will perform better than stock. Can't wait to try this out on the track in a few months. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.